Hello and welcome to this week's Unity Community Collaborations YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. Every Monday at 8 a.m. we spotlight YouTube channels we know you'll learn from and enjoy. All the channels introduced this week have clickable links below the video. To access the links, simply click the Show More text and use the links under the listed channels. Visit, subscribe, and like all the channels in this week's UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight of the Week. You are welcome to share this video within your own groups. The first channel of the week, selected by Robin Espich, is Kimmy Kim, owned by Kimberly Renee. Kimberly Renee, known as Kimmy Kim to her YouTube subscribers, is a very sweet and kind person. Her channel covers a variety of paper crafts as well as flip-throughs and shopping hauls. Kimmy Kim was off the air for the past couple of years due to personal issues and is now back and ready to awe you with her beautiful journals and more. Let's all support her and welcome her back by subscribing to her great channel. There are a lot of great videos there. The second channel of the week, selected by Sheree, is Turquoise Dreaming, owned by Sheree Brown. I started my YouTube channel as a connection to my Etsy shop so I could do flip-throughs of my junk journals. It has developed into a place where I have met so many good friends and a creative, crafty place where I just have fun crafting with friends. The third channel of the week, selected by Kim Lippincott, is Darkwood Sanctuary, A.K.A. Hag's Hollow, owned by Amy Aldrich. Darkwood Sanctuary, A.K.A. Hag's Hollow, is just that, a sanctuary, a place where I dye paper, tea, and colors, and hang out and have some crafty fun. No tutorials, no pressure, we're just here to have a good time and hopefully build a little community as we travel along together. Come and visit, pull up a comfy chair and craft along, or just hang out in the box. I stream at least twice a week on Monday and Friday, but can often be found live on the odd Wednesday or Thursday. The fourth channel of the week, selected by Sheila Figueroa, is Ayesha Crafty World, run by Ayesha Asghar. Ayesha says she has loved paper crafts since childhood, and she thinks it is an amazing activity. She also loves to share her work as well as tutorials like journal making, fabric flowers, and other paper crafts. The UCC founders are Robin Espich, founder, Teri S, co-founder, Kim Lippincott, co-founder, and our first member is Sheila Figueroa. Thank you for joining us with this week's Unity Community Collaboration YouTube Promotion Spotlight. We will see you again Monday at 8 a.m. with the next UCC YouTube Promotion Spotlight and even more excellent YouTube channels. Thank you again and have a great week.